Hello, today we will check how to use AliExpress for online shopping on your PC or laptop. So first of all, let's go to the AliExpress website where you will see different offers. Currently, as a new user, AliExpress offers a special deal. To access this offer, just click on the Shop Now button. This will open a new page where all the products included in this offer are listed. Before exploring the deals, AliExpress will ask you to log in or create an account if you do not already have one. I will continue with a Google account, but you can choose any method that works best for you. Once your account is created and you have successfully signed up, you will be redirected back to the offer page. Now you can explore all these offers to find the exact product you want. For example, let me open a demo product on the screen. Once the product page opens, you will see the product images on the right side. Check all the images to confirm that the product is exactly what you are looking for. There's also an important section for selecting the size. Choose the size according to your body measurements, but you may notice the small size is priced at 33 cents. When we switch to the medium size, the price changes. This is something you should always check while shopping to make sure the product price matches your selected size and requirements. On the left side, you will also see the shipping details, including whether the shipping is free and the estimated delivery time for receiving your order. At the bottom, you will find the Add to My Picks option. Simply click on it to add the item to your cart. Once the product is added, you will see it listed on the left side. In the same way, I will add 2 more random products on the screen to complete the deal. After adding all the products to the cart, tap on Checkout to continue. When I click on it, it will take us to a new page where we can review all the order details on the screen. First, you need to select your shipping address. Tap on Add New Address, and here you need to enter your complete address details, including your country, region, street address, and other required information. You can also set it as your default shipping address so you can use it again for future shopping. Next, there is the Payment Method section, where you can select or change your preferred payment option. You will see several payment methods available for shopping, and if you tap on View More, you can explore additional payment options according to your needs. Below that, you will see all the products you added to your cart, along with their prices displayed under the product images. On the left side, you will see the order summary, including promo details, subtotal, and free shipping information. If you have a coupon, you can apply it here, but since this offer is already activated, we can continue directly to checkout. Now tap on PayPal to proceed with checkout and complete your order. So yeah, this is how you can place an order on AliExpress. Now let's move on to exploring the homepage of AliExpress. When we land on the homepage, you will notice moving banners displaying current offers, which may vary depending on your region, festivals, or the season. For example, the offers shown in the USA may be different from those shown in Germany and Australia. You will also see the Today's Deal section, which includes the offer we just explored, along with other super deals. You can explore these offers in the same way. At the top right side, there is an All Categories option. If you click on it, you will see a list of product categories along with recommended products and brands. You can browse through these categories to find exactly what you need. As we explore further, you will find the Welcome Deal section. When you open it, you will notice that every product listed there is priced at 99 cents with free shipping and free returns for new users. There's also a Local Shipping tab. If you click on it, you will see products from local suppliers, which is very useful if you want faster delivery times. There's also the AliExpress Business section, where business customers can find special offers, top sellers, and other business-related deals. Once you finish exploring this section, we can move on to the next features. After the AliExpress Business section, there are more categories listed on the screen. At the top of the page, you will see the search bar for finding products using keywords. You can also search for products by uploading an image, and AliExpress will automatically find similar products for you. Next, there is the option to download the AliExpress app. You can download it from the App Store or Google Play Store, or simply scan the QR code to install it on your phone. Another important option is the region setting, where you can choose your shipping region, preferred language, and currency, so AliExpress can display products and offers accordingly. After that, there is the Profile section. Let's open the profile page on the screen. Once the profile page opens, you will see an overview page displaying several useful options and features. In the Overview section, you will see your wish list along with all the products you have added to it. You can also view recently viewed products that you explored earlier. Next is the Coupon section. Let's open it on the screen. Here you will find all the coupons offered by AliExpress. To get coupons, simply click on Get Coupon, and it will take you to the Coupon Center. Here, you will see coupons based on different categories, stores, and ongoing offers on AliExpress. Find the coupon that matches your needs, and when you want to use it, click on Collect, then select Use Now. This will open a new page where you can see all the deals and offers available with that coupon, allowing you to use them accordingly. Now let's go back to the Profile Overview page to explore the remaining features. Here, you can also see the shopping credits you have earned from your orders. In addition, you can check your order details, including unpaid, shipped, and review sections. On the right side, you will see the Order section. If you open it, you will find the complete history of all the orders you have placed or received on AliExpress. Next is the Payment section. Here, you will see your bonus balance earned through orders, which you can also use while shopping. To add a new payment method, tap on Add New Card. A pop-up window will appear where you need to enter your card details, then click Save to add the card to your profile. Next is the Return and Refund section. Here, you will see the list of products and order numbers for which you have requested a return or refund in case of any issue or misunderstanding. The next section is Feedback, where you can see all the feedback and reviews you have left for sellers regarding your orders and products. After that, there is the Settings section. Inside Settings, you can manage your profile details, country, region, security information, and other account settings. Next is the Shipping Address section, where you can view all the addresses you have added for shopping. You can also add a new address whenever you want. There is also a Message Center where you can see all the messages you have sent to sellers, as well as messages received from AliExpress regarding offers, updates, policies, or account notifications. Another useful feature is Invite Friends. This option allows you to invite your friends and earn coupons or rewards for free. You can use these rewards while placing future orders. Finally, there is the Help Center, where you can manage reports, suggestions, account issues, and other support-related options. You can explore all these sections one by one according to your needs. And that's it. This is the simple and complete overview of how to use AliExpress on desktop.